The time of death is a difficult time, a difficult time. The Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, subhanallah, when he was on his deathbed, Sayyidah Aisha was there with him. There were drops of perspiration on his forehead. Sayyidah Aisha wiped it away. And he said, he remarked, Inna lil mawti la sakarat. Death has its pains. He's telling us this. He's telling us this so that we would know. We would know. Inna lil mawti la sakarat. Death has its pains. But the more you strive to please Allah, the more the creation of Allah is pleased with you and treat you in that special way. Yes, when you obey Allah, it is a great thing. The angels, the believing souls, the believers, they love when you obey Allah. Adam alayhi salam, our father, he is happy when we obey Allah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, more important than that, he is happy when we obey Allah. And he is sad when we disobey Allah. So remember this. Every time you want to disobey Allah, remember you'll make the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam sad. And every time you obey Allah, remember you are making the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam happy. So strive to obey Allah more and more.